I'm Chef Laura Bonicelli, and I'm here with tip number 7 out of 15 tips to make you a better cook. Tip number 7 is develop good knife skills. Developing good knife skills and keeping knives sharp is essential for efficient and safe cooking. A sharp knife is actually safer than a dull one because it requires less force to cut through food, reducing the risk of the knife slipping and cutting you instead of whatever you're actually trying to cut. Good knife skills also allow for precise and consistent cuts, resulting in more evenly cooked and visually appealing dishes. As you develop your skills, you'll gain speed and accuracy. A sharp knife can also save time in the kitchen because it cuts through ingredients more easily and quickly than a dull knife. However, it is important to note that a sharp knife can be dangerous if it's not used properly, so it is essential to learn proper knife techniques and handle knives with care. We have all sorts of information and tips about building good knife skills in the Cooking Club. Visit BonicelliCookingClub.com, grab some free recipes when you sign up for our email list, and join.